is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will be speaking shortly over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable stations will transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WXYZ-TV. We will continue to serve the Detroit metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, tune to news stations for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Detroit metropolitan area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. Please stand by. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will be speaking shortly. Please stand by.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am the representative of the President of the United States. The President of the United States has been moved to a secure underground location. The President has given authorization to release this message as well as the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and a disclosed location. There have been multiple reports of a strange anomaly that is currently affecting the Sun. About 10 minutes ago, the Sun changed colors from a bright yellow to a blood red. It is unknown how this happened, and NASA is currently working on a solution to fix the Sun. As of now, there have been at least 2.4 billion deaths. The light of the Sun is noted to boil any flesh off any living thing and turning them into goo-like creatures, best described as zombies, who will try to expand their growth. If you or a loved one are caught out in the Sun, you are considered lost or compromised. The unknown location tells you to embrace darkness and to fear the light. Do not go outside for any reason, as if doing so, you are facing certain death. The anomaly is affecting all parts of the country, as well as the world where the Sun has risen. Even when it's dark out, do not go outside. This is because the sunlight can reflect off of the moon. This ends my message. God bless you all, and God bless the United States of America.
That was a message from the representative of the President. We will now switch to the emergency alert system. It is unknown if this will cause a total end to all life on Earth. Please tune to news stations for more information on this possible world-ending situation.